Hi, thanks for watching. First of all, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Your one click matters a lot for us. This video is about tirecraft ideas. There are many interesting and creative ideas to reuse and recycle old car tires and motorbike tires for household items, garden decorations, toys for kids, playgrounds, and even furniture. Your imagination and creativity can guide you to find unique ways to reuse and recycle old car tires and add an artistic touch to your outdoor decor and garden design. One of the easiest ways to use old tires is to turn them into planters. Simply cut off the top of the tire with a sharp knife or saw. Fill it with soil and plant your favorite flowers or herbs. You can paint the tire with bright colors to add a pop of color to your garden, or leave it as it for a more rustic look. You can also stack several tires on top of each other to create a tiered planter, which will save space and add visual interest to your garden. Another fun idea is to turn old tires into swings. Cut the tire in half and attach it to a sturdy rope or chain. Then hang it from a tree branch or pergola. This is a great project for kids who will love swinging back and forth on their new tire swing. For a more ambitious project, consider building tire garden wall. Stock several tires on top of each other, filling each one with soil and plants. You can create a curve or zigzag pattern for added visual interest. This project requires some heavy lifting and a bit of planning, but the end result is a unique and eye-catching addition to your garden. If you are feeling particularly crafty, you can even turn old tires into furniture. Cut the tire in half and cover it with colorful fabric or cushions to create a comfy seat for your patio or garden. You can also use tires as the base for a coffee table or side table, adding a glass top for a sleek and modern look. Old tires may seem like trash, but they can be transformed into beautiful and useful items for your home and garden, from simple planters to elaborate garden walls. The possibilities are endless. With a little creativity and elbow grease, you can turn your old tires into something truly unique and special. A pile of used tires make a wall which look attractive with growing plants and flowers. The wall can protect your patio or deck from the wind, or decorate an ugly slope with an unusual rock garden. Old tires are perfect for decorating chicken wire fences and concrete walls, creating vertical gardens and unique garden decorations. Old tires are fabulous for beautifying outdoors. You can plant flowers in tires and in between, creating up gorgeous windbreakers that protect your outdoor living spaces. Older furniture, chairs or ottomans with soft cushions and coffee tables with the wooden or glass tops can be made of used tires. Also, old car tires are the excellent material for creating unique artwork that can decorate your exterior walls, fences, tree stumps and living trees. Unusual and colorful accent made with painted car tires can add a personal touch to garden designs and beautify landscaping ideas. These are just a few ideas for crafting with tires. With a little creativity, you can turn old tires into beautiful and functional works for art. So at the end of this video, again we want to request you to please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.